What's up, guys? Vismo here. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to my Vismo TV. Thank you for the support. I've seen a lot of folks on my YouTube. As you know, right now it's kind of rough out there with the pandemic and everything that's going on. So a lot of people has been turning to their side gigs. You know, you might be doing Uber Eats, or you're doing Shipt, you're doing Instacart. You know, these are all great side gigs to have, but we're in a time where your side gig probably become your main gig. I am a chef by profession, but I do side gigs. Me and my friend, we have a food truck together. That's on a down for a little bit. So one of my friends introduced me to Shipt. So I've been doing Shipt, which Shipt is a grocery delivery service that deliver grocery to individuals that were unable to go out shopping based on the current situation that surrounded my job here. I thought I made this video. I know it's a tech channel, but you know, the phone is involved. You have to use the app, and this is mostly for the new shippers who don't understand the app, or the ones that are thinking about doing this as a job. It pays pretty well, as you know. It varies as it goes, but you probably could make $300 to $400 a day. I'm just saying, depends on how you want to run it. So I want to go ahead and show you how you get started. So first of all, there's the subscription button is right down below, man. You can go ahead and hit it, support the channel, much appreciated. It won't hurt, I promise you. That red button, you can hit that, it won't hurt. You have to initiate a contact with your customer. You got to send them what you call an intro text. The intro text, you can edit it how you want to, but it's already preset what they say on there. So pretty much they know that, you know, hey, I'm your shopper Kamar, and I'll be shopping for you. If you need anything else, let me know. Sometimes the customer do need items. I'll get to how you add items as we go. So once you send that intro text, they know that you're shopping. Try not to send intro text if you're not there, because now they know you're shopping. So if you're at home and you send in the intro text, like, oh my, it's one, they're thinking you're at the store. So if you take 20 minutes to get to the store, that's 20 minutes cut into your shopping. So up top on your right hand side, there is what you call there's three options up top. You got sort by, you have order labels, and you have retail. You can actually hit the retail and you can select the retailers that you want to be coming in as requests for you to do. So you can select Publix if you only want to do Publix, or you can prioritize and do only Targets, or only Winn-Dixie, or you know, only RX. You want to deliver only medicine or alcohol. It's all up to you. So that day, all that will be pushing forward to you for the one that you pick. So once you're in the store, you open the app, you're gonna look at all the items that you need. You can usually start with canned items to snacks, then I go to produce, and then lastly I'll go to frozen item. I like that way, and always make sure you have a insulated bag so you can keep their ice creams, or if it's hot food, you keep. Sometimes they order chicken tenders and all that other hot stuff from Publix, so you want to have an insulated bag so you can put that. With Publix now, like, they're in the aisles, it tells you the aisles, but it's not as organized as Target. Target will tell you G this, G that, section 1. Publix only say snacks, blah blah blah, just like Winn-Dixie. So when you open that app, right, you are going to search for the item. You got to pay a lot of attention to detail. Sometimes the items are identical, but there's one feature. It might be gluten-free, or it might be low sodium, but it looks the same. But you know, it has less numbers or more numbers, you know, like it might be 5 or 4. You got to pay attention to that, and then you might scan it, and then you get that red pop-up saying it's not a match. But then when you look at it, it is an identical match. If you get the option to add to cart, you can just manually click add to cart. It's identical, but the app really not too sure. So the app is it's a developing app. Here's another thing you got to look out for as well. Sometimes the customer would, you know, if you don't find the item, don't just make a substitution. Make sure you text your client and let them know, unfortunately, you haven't found the item that they want, but you find something that, and you can send them a picture of the item that you found, and if they like, it's like, you know what, give me any cheese or any potato chips. If the customer said, hey, like for the example, I was doing my shopping and this lady said that, can you add a pack of Angel Soft tissue? So for adding stuff, if you look on the top right hand corner, you will see a little plus button up top. You want to click on that. Once you click on that, it will ask you to scan. You can type the item in the search bar if you want to, but for me, I think that takes too long. But you like the customer already says, sometimes they do text you a picture of what they want. So once you go to the aisle where you find what they want, you can actually, when you hit that plus icon, you can scan that product, and once you scan the product, it will pop up. You select it and then you add it to your cart. What you got to understand, always have your card with you. You don't want to show up to a store and don't have your card. They don't use Apple Pay. Like Instacart do use Apple Pay, but Shipt don't. So it's all credit. They do it based on credit. Some items are prepaid. Like Targets are mostly prepaid items most of the time. The difference between a prepaid item, you get a small barcode that, you know, that pops up. It's a digital receipt that the client has paid for it. It's already paid for. So you get a digital receipt. But then there's another one that is not a digital receipt. It's a solid barcode, maybe an inch big. I'd say an inch big barcode. That means you have to use your card to pay for it. So you can cash out it yourself in a self-checkout, because, you know, you're just gonna hit credit, or you can go to the Reddit to a cashier, which I like to do because they pack the bags faster than I do. Again, you know, it's your boy Vismo. You know, just be safe out there, and definitely I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, if it spit some knowledge to you, like and subscribe, share my channel, you know, much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. So yo, be safe, all right? I'm gone.